Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Zoho CRM to validate phone numbers automatically step by step clearly. First, ensure you have an active Zoho CRM account. Log into your Zoho CRM account using your credentials. Navigate to the settings icon in the upper right corner of the dashboard. Click on Marketplace from the drop-down menu. In the Marketplace, search for Phone Validation or Phone Validation extension. Select the phone. Click on the Install button to begin the installation process. Once the installation is complete, go back to the Settings menu. Find and select the Extensions option under the Settings menu. Locate the phone validation extension you just installed. Click on the extension to access its configuration settings. You may need to authorize Zoho CRM to connect with the phone validation service. Follow the prompts to grant the necessary permissions for the connection. Enter any required API keys or authentication details in the designated fields. Once authorized, you will see options to customize the validation settings. Choose how you want the phone numbers to be validated, either in real-time or batch processing. After customizing your settings, click the Save button to apply the changes. Return to your main Zoho CRM dashboard. Now, navigate to a contact record to test the phone validation feature. Enter a phone number in the designated field. Check if the validation status updates automatically according to your settings. Repeat this process for other contacts to ensure the feature is working effectively. Congratulations! You've successfully authorized Zoho CRM to validate phone numbers automatically. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.